This is Disneyland News Today. I'm Eric Morton, and here now are the top Disneyland resort stores for November 10th, 2022, and Semper Fi to all the Marines out there celebrating our 247th birthday. The holidays have arrived at Disneyland Resort. For real this time, guests can now enjoy holiday decorations throughout both parks, including snow caps and icicles on Sleeping Beauty Castle and Disneyland Park, and the Christmas tree at the front of Disney California Adventure. Faux icicles are dripping from the towers of Sleeping Beauty Castle, while decorative white snow sits atop the turrets. At night, the icicles and snow will light up, bringing festive cheer to the park. Throughout the week, more and more decor has been added. Garland has appeared on Main Street USA, adorning windows and doorways. Most of the garland is green with red bows. Ornaments and other baubles are inside the garland. Christmas decorations have also been added to some window displays. The garland continues in Frontierland with a slightly different look and feel. There are even some, well, holiday cowboy boots hanging from lampposts. And then over at Disney California Adventure, cast members have been busy getting ready for the Festival of Holidays. A Festival of Holidays light up sign is above the park's entrance. Inside, a giant Christmas tree greets guests. The tree is wrapped in silver garland and its base looks like a stack of presents. It's covered in retro ornaments, candy canes, bells, and snowflakes. There were still some jack-o'-lanterns hiding nearby, however. Maybe spies of Jack Skellington as he scouts for Sandy Claus, or maybe they just haven't been removed yet, not sure. The cars of Radiator Springs are also decorated for the season. Garland, tire wreaths, and wrench snowflakes hang across the main walkway of Cars Land. The giant bear statues of Grizzly Peak Airfield have prepared for the winter weather with their own Christmas sweaters. First two bears have similar sweaters featuring a pattern of snowflakes, holly, candy canes, and Mickey ear ornaments. They're also wearing light-up necklaces. The bear at the entrance of Grizzly River Run has traded his life jacket for a red sweater, reading "Ho, ho, ho" above white trees, jumping deer, and snowflakes. He's also wearing a red plaid trapper hat. With the recent debut of MagicBand Plus at Disneyland Resort, new park maps have been made available. These showcase the MagicBand Plus product experience for guests. One of the inside flaps of the map folds out to reveal details of the MagicBand Plus product and experience. The space where it is listed right now was previously filled with Halloween offerings, so I guess that kind of makes sense that Halloween has come and gone to replace that area with the MagicBand Plus comment. Pretty obvious choice. This holiday season, cast members at the Disneyland Resort and Walt Disney World Resort, as well as retired Disney cast members, will receive complimentary access to Disney PhotoPass lenses, a relatively new feature on the My Disney Experience app. The feature is available through mobile devices. Complimentary access will be available now through New Year's Day. The various AR filters, which until recently have only been available to guests who purchase the Disney Genie Plus service, allow guests through the use of filters to put themselves in various scenes from around the park. I've always wanted to slurp spaghetti with my dog. I guess you could do that now. Some filters are available to use anywhere, while others require the person to be in specific locations. Some filters include the Haunted Mansion, Lady and a Tramp, that famous spaghetti eating scene, theme park snacks, and more. Some filters are unique to each park. Last month, the Disney PhotoPass lenses were introduced at the Disneyland Resort. Guests at Walt Disney World Resort had access to the feature as of last year. For everyone else, there are also a number of new holiday magic shots available in front of Buena Vista Street Christmas tree at Disney California Adventure as well, so check those out. Tarzan's Treehouse at Disneyland Park is returning to its roots and being transformed into the Adventureland Treehouse with an original story partially inspired by Swiss Family Robinson. Before it was Tarzan's Treehouse, the attraction was Swiss Family Treehouse, based on the 1960 film Swiss Family Robinson. It opened on November 18th, 1962 at Disneyland and was an opening day attraction at the Magic Kingdom and at Disneyland Paris. It remains the Swiss Family Treehouse at Magic Kingdom, Disneyland Paris, and Tokyo Disneyland. Swiss Family Treehouse closed at Disneyland in 1999 and reopened as Tarzan's Treehouse later that year. After another 22 years of operation, well, it suddenly closed in September of last year. Disney eventually announced in April that it would be rethemed. Instead of being inspired by a different IP, well, it was rumored that it could be Encanto themed, for instance. The new treehouse will have an original story about a family living in the treehouse on Jungle River. It will look more like the original 1962 Swiss family treehouse, including a water wheel at the entrance, but the family is different, hence the name Adventureland Treehouse. Each member of the family will have their own themed room featuring found objects and natural resources that they have repurposed for home use, not unlike previous iterations of the treehouse. There is now concept art for the mother's music den. The young son will have a nature room, and the teenage daughter will have an astronomer's loft. To make the attraction more accessible for guests unable to climb stairs or maybe just don't want to go up that high, the bottom floor will be expanded to include a kitchen, dining room, and the father's art studio displaying hand-drawn sketches and paintings of each of the rooms. It was also rumored that the attraction would become sea-themed. While it may not be an entirely sea attraction, there is a Society of Explorers and Adventurers banner visible in the concept art. Full title of the new attraction is Adventureland Treehouse, inspired by Walt Disney's Swiss Family Robinson. The Adventureland Treehouse is set to be completed in 2023. You can support the entire team behind this show and others by joining the WDWNT Interglobe Society at patreon.com/WDWNT. Get access to exclusive content, discounted show and event tickets, and more. A special shout out to all the WIGS members watching who make this and our other shows happen each and every week. Curiouser and curiouser, a new Alice in Wonderland Loungefly mini backpack is a must-have for the avid Alice collector. We found this incredibly detailed bag in Disney Clothiers on Main Street, USA in Disneyland. But the star of this show isn't Alice, rather the pompous caterpillar. Situated front and center, arms crossed, you can just hear him saying, "Who are you?" Surrounding the caterpillar's head are the mischievous Cheshire Cat, definitely up to something, the White Rabbit, undoubtedly late for something, and Alice eating something. The backpack is made from that faux leather that Loungefly is known for, in blues and greens and other vibrant colors thrown in the mix with silver-toned hardware. The front pocket is hiding behind the caterpillar's head. The sides of the backpack feature detailed, colorful leaves. You could learn a lot of things from flowers, they say. The Disney Parks Loungefly plate is on the side of the bag in navy blue. The inside of the bag features a purple lining showcasing the Cheshire Cat, White Rabbit, and of course, Alice frolicking among the leaves. As with most Loungefly mini backpacks, the straps are padded and adjustable, but it also has a top carrying handle for having your bag at the ready for those security checkpoints. The back of the bag has a surprise birthday cake. The cake is adorned with pink frosting and yellow and green embellishments, along with a candle. There are tiny stars around and on the cake, making it seem to shimmer. The backpack sells for $85. Attention all Magic key holders, get ready to sip, smile, and shop at Disneyland Resort starting on Friday, November 11th. Magic key holders will receive special perks to celebrate the Festival of Holidays and Disneyland Holiday Celebrations, which is just getting underway. At Disney Festival of Holidays, Magic key holders receive a lanyard with the purchase of a specially priced Sip and Savor Pass at the Festive Foods Marketplace. Magic key holders can also enjoy a festive, semi-secluded dining area and photo opportunity across from the Walt Disney Imagineering Blue Sky Cellar at Disney California Adventure. Magic key holders can experience more Merry Magic with 2 special Disney PhotoPass Magic Shot photo opportunities and a complimentary digital download. Available at 2 locations inside Disneyland Park across from the Matterhorn bobsleds near the guest relations kiosk. This photo opportunity is available from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. And at Disney California Adventure, Magic key holders can find a special Disney PhotoPass Magic Shot under the Silly Symphony swings, available from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Deck the halls with it all. A curated selection of phone cases, earbud cases, magnets, and ornament designs themed to the holidays with Magic Key branding coming soon this November. You can find these special items at Disney Showcase Emporium and Star Trader in Disneyland Park. They're also available at Trolley Treats, Elias & Co., Off the Page, Gone Hollywood, Superstore featuring Avengers Campus, the Collector's Warehouse, Ramon's House of Body Art, and Seaside Souvenirs inside Disney California Adventure. If you can't make it into a park, stop by World of Disney in downtown Disney District. The full menus for the festival holidays at DCA have been released. The festival starts this Friday, tomorrow, November 11th. It's quite a long list, but you can see everything on dlnewstoday.com. There you can also find a full guide for the event. For the first time, a fictional country will be represented among the food marketplaces at Disney California Adventure during the Festival of Holidays. The Black Panther-inspired Flavors of Wakanda food booth has been erected in Hollywoodland. The booth is black with purple banners and signage featuring the Black Panther symbol. The banners and signs are lined with gold trim. Exterior painting continues at the Paradise Pier Hotel. This is the hotel's fourth rebranding since its opening in 1984. The Fun in the Sun themed hotel is slowly being painted over with white paint. This side of the hotel has added more paint since our last check-in. Of course, the hotel is in the early stages of its retheming into Disney's Pixar Place Hotel, but the Paradise Pier Hotel logo can still be seen right there over the entrance underneath an awning. Since the pool is closed due to this construction, lifeguards are available to shuttle guests via golf cart over to the pool at the Disneyland Hotel. Speaking of the Disneyland Hotel, Walt Disney Imagineering shared another construction milestone for the hotel. They raised the last of the highest steel beams, marking the topping out, as they call it in construction business, of the new Disney Vacation Club Tower, complete with the traditional Christmas tree. We learned at D23 that this new tower will be called the Villas at Disneyland Hotel. The tower will be right next to the iconic e-ticket pool and its monorail water slides. If you look closely, you can even see the Imagineers and crew members' signatures on the steel beam. For the absolute latest Disneyland news, head on over to DisneylandNewsToday.com and follow us on your favorite social media platforms. If you're enjoying the show, be sure to like this video, subscribe to WDW News Today on YouTube for more great content, click the bell for notifications, and hit select all notifications so you never miss an episode of Disneyland News Today. For DLNT, this is Eric Morton saying enjoy the rest of your today and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
This is Disney Entertainment News Today. I'm Rob Whiteside, and here now are the top Disney entertainment stories.
For the latest in Disney entertainment news, watch Disney Entertainment News Today, hosted by Rob Whiteside. From movies and series news to stage shows, books, video games, and more. New episodes drop every Tuesday on WDWNT.TV.